Hello, and today we're going to discuss and look at how to add a user in Active Directory to a group. Basically, how to add a Active Directory user object to a new group membership. First, we want to go down to the Start menu, scroll down to Windows Administrative Tools, and then open Active Directory Users and Computers. Now we want to select our user. In this case, the user we want to use is Mr. Bill Evans. So we're going to go ahead and click on his name, and we're going to right click, and then we're going to click left on properties. We want the tab that says member of. He's already a member of domain users. We're going to add him to a group so that he can publish certificates for IIS servers on the domain. That's going to be the cert users group. So we're going to go ahead and hit add. Make sure we're still in the domain as opposed to local machine. Make sure we're in groups and built-in security principles. And we're going to type in CE to start the word cert. Check names. Cert publishers is there. Left click on that, hit OK. It's going to show up here underlined, which means it is a recognized entity, recognized group. And then we're going to go ahead and hit OK. We're going to hit apply and OK. Now, if we refresh, action to refresh, if we refresh Mr. Evans' account, double click on it, and then go to member of, you now see cert publishers. This particular user account is a member of the cert publishers group. And that's how you add a user to a group.